What's up, guys? I'm Luke, and you are watching The Creative Way. So today, we are going to be doing another video on my server. So we're going to be doing another plugin tutorial on my server, CreativeCraft. So if you guys want to come and check us out, I will leave the IP and link to the website down in the description box below. I would love it if you guys could come check it out. So the plugin we're going to be doing today is called Executable Items. If we do /EI editor, yes, it shows us what we have. It comes with all of these great examples, and this is the premium version. I'm going to leave a link to the free and the premium version down below, and so we can see this is such a great plugin. There are so many custom things that we can do here. If we take our morph axe, hold on, back to show menu. If we test our items and we take our morph axe, I believe if we right click with it, it turns into a shovel, and then it's a hoe, and then it's a flint and steel, and then it's shears, and then it's a fishing rod, and then it's a pickaxe, and then it's back to an axe. So that is such a cool feature that we have here. That's one of the many things that they have. I'm going to test out some of the other items. Just, do a little showcase of what they have before we get into actually creating it. So, if we do /EI editor again, and let's test out this epic potion. Let's test out this epic potion here. And we'll test out the epic rod as well. And then we'll test this bucket, this fly, and we'll test out this lottery and this money. Okay, that should be enough things that we're going to be testing out. So we'll just make ourselves MVP really quickly. Set MVP, so that way we don't have many perms, and then we'll go ahead and do /GMS and then do deop lwp awesome. So now we are deopt, and all of these items should work accordingly. So let's test this out. We have this epic potion, and it gives us speed 3 and strength 5. So if we do that, it says we do not have the permission to use this item. That is okay, because it did go ahead and give us the effects, speed 3 and strength 5. This water is another great example. It gives you 5 uses. So if we do that, that gives us 1 water, right? And now we have, I think, only a couple more uses left. So if we do that. Oh, yep, and we ran out of uses. So that, so if we right click this, it gives us fly for, I believe, 10 minutes. So now we can fly for, and if I didn't have this health bar here, it would say time left for fly, and then it would give us a nice countdown timer here. Also, when we're holding this, it gives us speed 2, I believe. Yes, which is wonderful. So we can just go ahead and fly around here, and it will give us some nice effects. And we can go ahead and fly around, and we can use it 3 times. So if we right click it again, it now says remaining use 1, and now we have another 10 minutes of fly. And if we right click it one more time, it ran out of uses. So let us do lottery item next, and when we're holding this, it gives us speed as well. And if we right click this, it opens a lottery, and it gave us 5 diamonds. And so we can use multiple of those. if you would like to. That would be great if you're doing some things on your server, like where you can buy a lottery and it's a 33% chance of getting nothing, 33% chance of getting some cool effects, and a 33% chance of getting 5 diamonds. So this last one is just $5,000. If we just right click with it, it's not going to give us that. It says we must sneak. So if we do that and then we right click, it gives us $5,000. As you see, we have new $5,000 in our account, and this is just really great plugin for anyone who wants to use this on their server. I think it would be great for making custom and using already the built-in plugins as well. Alright, so we've changed our rank back to the owner rank. If we do /EI editor, we are gonna go ahead and create a new one. So let's add a new item, and we'll do /EI create, and then our ID. What do we want to make? Let's make a sword that gives us speed 2, and we'll have a cooldown on that. We'll call it the speedy sword or something like that. So we'll call it speed sword, just like that. This video is sponsored by Songoda. Songoda is the one-stop shop intended to make finding the ideal plugins for your Minecraft server simple. They uphold reasonable and just business practices by acknowledging client and creator feedback and are continually improving their platform. Make sure you guys check them out with the links below to find unique plugins for your Minecraft server. And now we have a speed sword. So the material we are going to change to the speed sword. I want it to be a, I don't know, I think we can do an iron sword. And as you can see, it has changed the default name. We'll want to do a new name, and then we can go ahead and use color codes as well. So if we want this to be a speed sword, I'm going to use the color code N9, and we'll do, and I also want it to be large as well, so we'll do N9 and L and speed sword, just like that. And as you can see, it is now the speed sword right there. The lore we can change as well. We will edit this just like that, and now actually I want to edit that and make that 9 as well. So then if we do add a new line, and just like that, we can do, let's do and F, and then we'll just do a bunch of dashes. I feel like that would be cool. And then I think and S is strike through, so let's do that. No, maybe it's not. I'm not sure. So then we'll add another line here, and we'll just call it effects. Let's do and 6 effects. That looks good. And we'll add another line, and I'll just do and F there, so that way it just gives us a default blank line. And then we'll do speed, let's do speed II, and then we'll make this 7 speed II, and then I think I want to do something cool with it, so let's do like that, and then like that. Yes, actually I want to edit that. I want to make it and 3 speed II, just like that, and it has some nice effects there. So let's add another line, and we'll want to do the same thing here, just like that, I believe. We'll add one more, and then we'll make it white as well. There we go. And that looks really nice. I think that is good for what we're trying to do, and that is what it will look like right there. I actually want to edit that just a little bit. I'm going to delete this line right here. And lore, that looks very nice. We do want it to glow, so that looks like it's enchanted. Oh, this looks really nice. Unbreakable, yes, we'll make it unbreakable. so it is now unbreakable as well. Usage, the usage limit is the maximum. We'll do the usage as -1 for infinity. Give on first join, no. Give slot, no. Disable worlds, no. Durability, we can change it, but we'll just keep it as the same. Enchantments, attributes, and activators, that's what we're gonna do. So enchantments, we'll add a new enchantment, and we'll do sharpness level. We'll do sharpness 2, and yeah, that's fine. So now it has sharpness 2 on it as well. And then I think we'll change this to I want to do fire aspect. Fire aspect. Yes, okay. Level. Let's do fire aspect 2. I like that. Right, and we'll create that enchantment. Alright, and now if we go back to the configuration, we have this enchantment. So the attributes is really what we want. A new attribute we will do, so what do we want to do? We want to give us speed. So we'll do generic movement speed, I believe. Just like that. UUID you don't need to change. And we'll change this to we'll do and 9 speed. I don't know, the attribute name is give speed 2. Just like that. Alright, so it's give speed 2. Operation, add number, amount. Operation, we want to add number, yes, and then amount, and we'll do 2 for speed 2, and the slot is hand, and we will create the attribute. So now if we want to actually use these attributes, we have to do an activator. So we'll add a new activator, and we'll name it speed 2 activator. And if we right click and cooldown message, usage modification, no, cooldown, we'll want to do 60-second cooldown. Conditions, player conditions, I believe. If sneaking, yes, so I want to do if sneaking, so you have to sneak and then you have to click. So we'll save that just like that, and we will go back to the activator configuration. Other items, commands, and this is what we want, I think. And we'll do effect, give player speed. We'll give it to them for 10 seconds, and then we'll give it to them 2, I believe. So yes, I think that's good. We can finish that. So that gives us a command. And target, no. Required level, required money, no. We can add money if we wanted to. Yes, save this activator. And back to config. So now if I think that's just about it. Hide enchantments, no. Hide attributes. So that's done. And then we can test items, and we'll get our speed sword. And if we're sneaking and right clicking, we get speed 2. That is really cool, guys. And it says, oh, it gave us speed 3. Oh, I know why. Because it starts at 0 and I put it as 2. So that way it would give us speed 3. So let's go see the lore. Oh, that looks wonderful. It says unbreakable on it. Sharpness 2, fire aspect 2, speed sword. So if we do /EI editor again, we can open it up. and we can edit the activator, and we'll edit this command, and we'll make that just 1. And that should be it. Finish, save, and back to item config, and then we save the item, and we can test our item, and we can get the new speed sword and get rid of this old one. It still looks the same, but if we sneak and right click, now it should give us speed 2 for 10 seconds. That is really cool. And you can create custom items just like this with the GUI or in the config, but I'm not going to go over the config because I just like creating the custom items in the GUI. I think it's super simple and easy to use, and I think it would be great for making custom items for a Skyblock server like mine, or something else like factions or survival server as well. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. One more thing before I go. YouTube has told me that most of you are not subscribed, so if you could please do that, that would really help me out a lot. And I thank you guys so much for watching to the end of this video. That really helps me a lot as well. We are so close to 50 subscribers. If we could just get a couple more people to subscribe, that would be wonderful. I think that's pretty much it for the executable items. If you guys want to do more plugin tutorials like this, please let me know. I have a video request on my website, and so if you fill out that form, I will definitely take it into consideration. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.